welcome to Thank God It's Friday's free daily pre-market report. Still struggling with that name. Can see here yesterday S&Ps came up, had a real go at the monthly highs at, what have we got? 1103 and a half, weren't they? 1103 and a half, and closed at 1105 and a half, but since then have rolled over, and I was sitting back on the 50-day EMA at 1097 and a half. Still got the 8 and 21 EMA cross. This still looks good to go higher. It just needs to obviously just get above this 1103 mark. After that, we are looking at 1114, the high from back on the 22nd of January. So really, we're at that level now. You know, I said if we can get over here, this is a place to sort of maybe start nibbling long, but I'm just going to wait for the week to close. RSI looks okay, moving high, no real divergence there. So we just wait and see how this trade plays out. Not much more to do there. Let me get my notes. Most importantly, let me make sure that I've got the right day. That gets a bit scary when I'm looking at notes thinking, well, hasn't that move happened? And like, yeah, it happened a couple of days ago, and you're still watching the stock. Let's take a look at a long position we initiated yesterday, just a pilot size, quarter size. We got long up the pullback to the 50-day EMA on Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, and we went nicely in the money. Now we're in the money, you know, but we've sort of come off a bit since yesterday's highs. But you know, we are looking at this position. We want to be long the Aussie. Risk aversion is sort of leaving the markets. You're going to see a weaker yen because of this if it continues. We've got crude bid, we had gold bid, although that's come off slightly, S&P's bid, and all these should push the Aussie higher. And just remember as well that the RBA last month did not raise interest rates as they had done for the last 3 meetings, but they said this was not a change in policy, and this was simply letting the markets digest. So for all them reasons, blah 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 blah, we like the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Let me just technically as well, I mean, you say, yeah, okay, technically not setting up great there. So that's one of the reasons why we've just took quarter size pilot position above the 50, you know, just stop ourselves out below these moving averages here. The 8 to 21, the 50, that'll tell us it's not quite working out at the moment. We look to maybe get long again on a bounce. Could have a, dangers are, could have a, you know, technically could have a possible head and shoulders around about just above the 84 range in that, you know, any sort of in this zone here. Failing that, we are looking, what I'm really looking for is to push here above, and I'll give you the level, about 86. So we can get the move above 86, we really start adding to this position. So just a pilot position, just to get a foothold. That's how we like to trade. Technically not great, but you know, nice little uptrend forming here from these lows, held on the support, which was back at where are we, 27th of November last year. We sort of had a nice, you know, the support, seeing the same level of support there for the RSI, which is always just nice to have that sort of confirmation that, yeah, okay, held there for that one, and then it's held there again, nice sort of double bottom on the RSI from there. Now we're moving higher. So that's how we're playing it. I think that really sort of covers everything. Thank you everyone for attending the public webinar last night. Got a great response from that, and it was really good fun actually. It's a really interesting subject, you know, the ego and enhancing your trading performance, and sort of overcoming all the challenges that the human mind presents to us as traders. You know, we're just not set up physiologically to trade, but we can get around that by sort of creating this optimal trading state. Anyway, I will discuss everything more in the members video. If you're not a member, just simply go to the home page, right hand side, just take the 1 month complimentary membership, no credit card details taken, blah 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 blah, boring, do it or don't do it, you don't care, I don't care. We'll all still carry on making a few quid trading. The world will go on for all of us. Everyone, have a great weekend. I look forward to speaking with you again next week. Till then, happy trading.